Okay, so here we have a brand new clean install of MediaWiki 1.30. I'm going to briefly talk you through the quick user guide of how to install Foundation. It's actually really simple. That'll take less than, a minute. So, upload Foundation to the skins folder. Extract. Yep. You go to the Foundation demo and the page install, and we just want to copy these 3 lines here, and we want to place them at the bottom of local settings. And save. And then we go back to our vector skin, refresh, and let Foundation install. And it's going to take a little while because there's actually quite a few extensions included. So we'll just sit patiently and wait. And there we are, installed. Job done.